Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I am going to share with you my honest review on GetResponse. Now, as we all know, the success of any company hinges on two main factors: a great product or service and effective marketing strategy. And when it's come to the marketing, one tool that stands out is email marketing. That brings us to today's topic. GetResponse is an email marketing platform that's been around since 1997. And it's evolved over the year to offer more than just email marketing. But before dive into its features and pricing, let's talk about why email marketing is essential for business, especially in today's digital age. Email marketing allows you to reach out a new customer, nurture relationships with existing one, and ultimately drive sales. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of GetResponse. They offer a range of plans to suit different business needs, starting with a limited free trial. I have found that the paid plans offer a lot more flexibility and functionality. If you are interested in giving GetResponse a try, don't forget to use the link in the description down below. So let's get into GetResponse and what they are all around. The paid plan including email marketing plan, the marketing automation plan, and the e-commerce marketing plan. Each plan comes with its set of features, from unlimited emails to advanced automation and segmentation tool. One thing to note is that while GetResponse does offer a free website builder, it's important to be aware of the limitation, such as bandwidth restriction. However, if you are serious about your digital marketing efforts, investing in the one of their paid plan is definitely worth it. The email marketing plan, starting at around $20 per month, is suitable for businesses looking to establish a strong email marketing foundation. Moving up the ladder, marketing automation plan, priced at approximately $60 per month, unlock advanced automation feature allowing business to create high target and personalized marketing campaigns. For those focused on e-commerce, the e-commerce marketing plan, priced at just under $120 per month, offers additional functionalities such as automation, segmentation, and abandoned cart notification. While the pricing may seem daunting at the first, the value provided by GetResponse far outweighs the investment, especially for businesses looking to scale their digital marketing effort. One of the standout features of the GetResponse is its marketing automation capabilities. From abandoned cart notification to personalized email campaign, GetResponse makes it easy to engage with your audience every stage of the customer journey. But it's not sunshine and rainbows like any tool. GetResponse has its downside. For example, they charge separate fee for the large contact list when can add quickly. However, if you focus on quality over quantity, you can still see great result with GetResponse. Personally, I found it very helpful to be able to handle most of my digital marketing on one platform. So for anyone trying to cut their digital marketing expense without losing efficiency, GetResponse is a great choice. It is everything a marketing team needs in one place. So that's just some of my review of GetResponse, and I hope you found it useful. And for those of you who are just starting out with email marketing, I suggest getting started right away. Using email marketing for your business can help you get leads and customers that you might miss otherwise. And again, if you are interested in giving GetResponse a try, don't forget to use the link in the description down below. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next one.